Hi, I'm doing this short video um, for a course, an online course called Nature Speaks, Plant Nature Communication. Um, Plant communication sounds pretty woo-woo in today's modern world, um, but the reality of it really is that it's very grounding, and it's actually kind of the opposite of woo woo. It's about becoming more of yourself and becoming more in tune with yourself through an awareness of your body's senses, um, and an awareness of reality, of the nature of reality, through becoming more centered and grounded in yourself. Um, so the course itself, there's videos and content that I've put together, which has kind of come from the last 10 or so years of studying plant medicine and herbal medicine, and working with the labyrinth. And so my background is in it's in art, really. And then which is also about connection, and I studied herbal medicine in Ireland on an apprenticeship. I was never going to be a clinical herbalist. I knew that from the start, and I then spent a lot of time connecting to the earth and subtle energies and the subtle energies of plants, and the labyrinth came along kind of uninvited. I didn't know what a labyrinth was, and I ended up working with one for the summer, on a permaculture farm in Ireland, and that led. You can find out more about that in a. Just have a look around. There's another video or on my website, which is www.wildwisdom.org.uk. As you might say, I'm not a sensationalist. I'm not someone who's trying to sell you something or trying to big up this. So the the labyrinth was a big part of this thread, and in fact the thread, I say like the labyrinth is a big part of the work, but it's not. It's the underlying thread for me was that it pointed inside of us. It's pointing inside. The place to start is the stillness within us, and it's all down to listening and feeling that, I'll call it intelligence, that's flowing through everything, that connects us all. And when we begin to tap into that, then all heaven breaks loose. Then you're on your path. You don't don't need to be doing anything else other than tapping into that. And so this course, through video and through, so that noise is me clicking a pen, and through content, through written content, there's PDFs, there's tons of exercises to do which you're guided through to make your own connection, and then to make your own connection with the plants and the land that are literally outside your back door and have medicine for you. And that's my goal with, well, my intention with the course is for people to find their own connection to the land and the plants that are right outside their back doors. Because there's something very powerful in that. When we begin to connect to our landscape, which has spirit running through it, which is very strong, and starts changing you in a positive way. And yeah, that's the intention for the course. So have a look at it, and if you have any questions, then message away. Great.